Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camping cots that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ALPS Mountaineering Ready Light Cot. A comprehensive list of lightweight camping cots never starts to be a thing without featuring the Ready Light Cot from ALPS Mountaineering. Ingeniously crafted to encompass a merger of sturdiness and lightweight, this cot is undoubtedly made for the great outdoors. And even though it fails to beat Helinox Light Cot, reviewed below, in terms of weight, it comes close enough but with justifiable reasons, as you will shortly see. Its sleeping surface, measuring a generous 78 by 28 inches, is long enough to accommodate individuals well over 6 feet tall without much discomfort. Add that to its elevation of up to 7.5 inches off the ground and what you get is a cot closely resembling your home bed. For honesty's sake, the Ready Light Cot is worth its value in gold. Transporting and stowing the Ready Light Cot is a non-intricate affair thanks to its little weight and small packing size. Weighing just 4.8 pounds, it disintegrates into miniature parts that easily pack into the included carrying case. Its easy tear-downs and setup processes got close to winning our hearts the very first time we set our hands on this particular cot. For each leg, an opposing force is needed to get it into its appropriate holder on the frame. If you are not innovative enough as to use readily available objects for support, you may find the process tasking. A dull wedge or shoehorn comes in handy in jamming the last leg into the holder. Sturdy and comfortable build aluminum is lauded for its sturdiness, durability and lightweight properties. The Ready Light Cot is remarkably robust owing to its aluminum frame and high-quality ripstop fabric top. Surprisingly, and despite its feathery weight, this camping bed supports up to 300 pounds of weight. And while the general rule is that a combination of little weight and sturdiness tends to trade off comfort, the rule doesn't remotely apply to Ready Light. Despite its ruggedness, this particular cot features a level of comfort its competitors can only dream of. Its taut, double-layered fabric, featuring a honeycomb design, keeps the night sweats at bay while allowing only a minimal give to enhance comfort. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Helenox Light Cot. Always with the sleek and fleshed-out designs, Helinox knocked it out of the park with this neutral-colored camping cot. The Light Cot is a low-profile unit that comes in either sand or black hues but with many features to boot. While we always find it hard recommending a cot as a backpacking choice, this particular cot left us with an urge to shout, "Here's a new BACKPACKABLE cot for everybody." Of course, you will excuse our excitement when you realize that this cot weighs just 2 pounds, the lightest in our list. To be honest, we never imagined there would ever be an invention of such ultralight cots without compromising on quality. But Helinox is proving us wrong. Perhaps the price you pay for its ingenuity is its prohibitive cost. For almost $300, you get yourself a backpacking cot whose weight is barely noticeable and which you can comfortably attach to your backpack. The Helenox Light Cot supports a maximum weight capacity of 265 pounds, which is made possible by its robust materials and well-executed design. Its cover and stuff sack are both made of 600 weave ripstop polyester fabric, while the 2 side poles and 4 legs are all made of aluminum. Further, the joining hubs and feet are made of fiber-reinforced nylon 66. As a result, the Light Cot delivers incredibly high performance without being too hefty or bulky to handle. Assembling it takes just a few minutes and is relatively hassle-free. With its press-fit leg system, you won't have to fight with the lower frame to secure the legs in place. However, some people might find the initial setups a little laborious. During the eventual cold nights or hot and muggy nights, you want to be sleeping well insulated and off the ground. The Light Cot rests about 5 inches off the ground, which is just sufficient in ensuring ventilation around you. While taller and big-bodied folks might find it a bit too short or narrow, the cot's sleeping surface will suffice for most people. It has a sleeping surface which spans about 73 inches long and 23 inches wide. Moreover, there are no crossbars or end bars to dig into your back or restrict your movement. If you yearn for more comfort, you can throw on a suitable pillow and a sleeping pad. At number 3, we have the Therma-Rest Ultralite Cot. From the makers of some of the best sleeping pads in the market comes the Ultralight Camping Cot, which is available in regular and large sizes. We found its reflective green fabric and feathery weight particularly alluring for backpacking trips and campouts in the boonies. At slightly less than 3 pounds across all its sizes, it's unlikely that you'll find another dependable and ultralight cot, but we did, and we'll show you in a minute. The feathery weight has been achieved through a combination of creative design and lightweight materials. That said, the cot has a few drawbacks, as we shall see in a few seconds. The earlier version of the cot had circular aluminum feet and a gray color style. The redesigned cot ditched all that in favor of crescent-shaped nylon feet and a vibrant green top with a reflective thermal coating on the underside. Although made of plastic, the feet allow for quicker setups and a compact packaging. The 72 inches long by 24 inches wide cot packs down into a minimalist 16 inches long by 4 inches wide bundle, all thanks to the nesting style of the components during packing. Furthermore, the reflective underside helps in body heat retention and sufficiently keeps the cold from the ground away from your body. Setups are rather quick and easy. While you still have to insert the shock-corded side poles in place, inserting the crossbars is a lot easier thanks to the semicircular feet. The feet also allow you to insert the bars in a twist bow style for extra tension and sturdiness on the fabric top. That said, the assembly process can take a toll. We're talking 16 parts that need to be connected in the middle to form the 4 crossbars and 2 twist bow poles. That's on top of the usual assembly process. On the bright side though, the cot in its carry bag won't take up too much of your space, thus you can take it to any type of camping or outdoor activity. You can make it even lighter by using only 4 crossbars, evenly spread out along the cot's length. However, this configuration only supports about half the cot's weight capacity. With its 4.5 inches of elevation, the cot rests too low and may not successfully keep out the cold and moisture from the ground away from your body. Perhaps that is why the manufacturer included the reflective underside, most definitely. At number 2, we have the Byer of Maine's Trilite Cot. Lightweight camping cots don't get better than this particular one from Byer of Maine. With its modest weight of 7.5 pounds, Trilite Cot is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance outdoorsy fun with a lightweight camping bed. The cot's top sits on aluminum frame and is elevated 8 inches from the ground by steel legs. The design ensures comfort and protection from the elements without foregoing the cot's sturdiness and durability. The Trilite Cot has a recommended weight capacity of up to 250 pounds, which is ensured by its durable, sturdy construction. The aluminum, steel frame will also have no problem supporting heights of slightly over 6 feet. Another impressive feature of this cot is its top, which has a heavy-duty ripstop fabric with 2 straps, one at each end. The straps are especially helpful in holding the sleeping pad in place and avoiding slippage when sleeping. The camping bed's weight is already pretty remarkable at only 7.5 pounds, and the included stuff sack takes its portability to a whole new level. Folding down the cot into a compact size and storing it away into the bag is relatively easy and convenient. Lightweight and easily portable, it is without a doubt that the Byer of Maine's Trilite Cot will be a favorite of many camping enthusiasts. And finally at number 1, we have the Redcamp Folding Camping Cot for adults. Another option of the lightweight cots is the Redcamp Camping Bed, which comes with enough features to guarantee value for money. Its construction, as well as its assembly, are just one of a kind. The camping bed has not 4, not 8, but 10 supporting legs. All of them have non-slip feet, so you can be assured of maximum support throughout the night. Steel tubing frame, Oxford polyester fabric, and a perfectly sized sleeping surface make this cot ideal for people up to and slightly over 6 feet. At only 14.7 pounds weight, the Redcamp cot can still support a load capacity of 250 pounds. Furthermore, the cot comes pre-assembled, so setting up takes up less than 20 seconds. Its carrying bag enhances storage and transportation. The sturdy construction and ease of assembly of the Redcamp camping bed allow it to be even more versatile. From camping trips, hunting to hosting overnight guests, the camping bed does it all. To further enhance the experience, 3 differently sized pockets on one side are included to help in storage of small items such as a tablet, a smartphone or magazines. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.